Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to talk about one of the most popular design tools. There is Figma. So guys, I using Figma on the website version like this. So in this video, I will share my experience about the pros and the cons of using Figma website version like that. So guys, the first thing is the pros of using Figma in the website version. So the first of all, I think Figma are free and we don't should to install the application like that. So what makes I really love Figma because we can use only with our browser like that. For example, like this. You can click browser and then click search and then write figma.com like that and then enter. And after that, you should only should log in. And after that, we can use like that. So without download application, you can use this app like that. And after that, guys, the pros are number two, Figma, real-time collaboration like that. So guys, in this Figma, we can work or learn together like that with our teams in the same file and in the same times like that. So for example, I edit the auto layout like that. So my friend in the another place can edit the colors and then can add the text like that. So no more sending files back and forth like that. So it saves a lot of time. And then the third, the pros of Figma. So it is the Figma autosave. So guys, everything we do in Figma, if we back, it's automatically save in the cloud like that. So we don't worry about losing our files or we forget to save our design like that because the Figma is auto save like that. And then the next the part of this Figma, the Figma have plugins. So Figma in the Figma has many free plugins, templates, and UI kits if we can find in the community section like that. So we can get icons and then image and then UI kits like before, and then we can find all of we need in the plugin. So with this plugin, I think we can save a lot of our time. And then next, Figma, it's very simple interface and powerful. For example, wait guys. Guys, by the way, before I start to click this, I want to explaining about this. So for this, if we click this, we can start to design. And then if we click this picture, this function, I think this is for like a mind mapping like that. So for example, before I start to make application, we can uh, make a mind mapping in the figma like this. Wait. So in the figma, we can use like this. We can click this rectangle and then like this, okay? And then we can, for example, I want to make a site map like that. So we can writing, for example, splash screen, and then like this. After splash screen, onboarding like that, and after that, after onboarding, login like that. So this is the function of figma. Okay, next slides. I think this function like PowerPoint, so we can make a slide of a PowerPoint we want. Okay, next the bus. I think this is for community like that, and then the site. I don't know what the function of this because I never use this. And then for this, Figma, the function for I think it like same like AI. So if maybe I confused about what idea design like that, so uh, I can ask to for this to make a idea design like that, like please help me to make a homepage like that. So if we use this, they will help us like that. So guys, if we click this like that, so it's very simple, uh, simple looks. What is that? No. So guys, it's very simple looks. Um, I think it's very easy and understand as a beginner. Okay, so everything feels organized, and most tools can be used by just drag and drop. So wait. So guys, I want to explain for this first. In the left side, this we can click this file. Okay, so here we can see all of the layers and then frame and then group. So guys, it's like a structure of our design. Okay, for example, here I want to make a rectangle. So in the left side, automatically there is a like this rectangle like this. So if I add the file maybe ellipse and I change the color, so automatically here add a ellipse and then a rectangle like that. And then guys, in the video you can see here it's our main workspace. So guys, where our actually design and move things around. For example, like this, we can move around of here. Okay, like that. And then the last in the right side, like this. The function is we can find the editing panels. So if I want to change the color and then corner radius or alignment or add the stroke like that, we can find in right side. For example, like this. I make a rectangle and then I can change the fill here like this and then add the stroke like this, and then we also can change this, what is his name, the weight 8 maybe, or maybe 20 like this, and then we also can change the color like this, and also we can add the corner radius. So like this guys. And then guys, the last, we can make a prototype. So guys, Figma not just a design application or website. So we can also make interactive prototypes. So guys, we can test and preview our application like real apps without using a coder or without coding. So these features is super helpful for us before we send our design in to develop. Okay guys, and then after I talk about the pros of Figma, next I want to talk about the cons this Figma. So guys, the first is in the Figma we need internet connection. So guys, uh, if we don't have a connection, we can not use Figma. So, but I don't know, it's only for website or application tool, but because I only use in website, um, if I don't have a what internet connection, I can use Figma like that. So if your Wi-Fi is slowly, I think if we design uh, a little like that, and then the cons number two, um, can like if we use if we make a big file like that. So if we have a large and then a complex project, Figma can get a bit heavy like that. And if it, for example, like that, so this guys, it's easy if I want to zoom in and zoom out because it is a simple design. But if the design is very complex, I think if we want to zoom in, it's slowly like that, especially if our RAM laptop small like that. Okay guys, I think enough for review this. What is his name? Figma. Thank you for your listening and see you in the next review product. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.